Welcome to GeoEye Egypt, a company that stands at the forefront of the spatial intelligence revolution. As our logo shines boldly against a pristine white background, we want you to remember our mission: transforming spatial intelligence. We are spearheading a revolution that is redefining our understanding of the world, changing the way businesses function, governments operate, and individuals live their daily lives. Join us in this journey as we delve into the extraordinary domain of spatial intelligence, where every pixel holds a wealth of information, where we see beyond eyes. Welcome to GeoEye Egypt. Welcome to the future of spatial intelligence. In the core of the digital epoch, a stirring revolution is taking place. It's not just any revolution, but one that's fundamentally reshaping the way we perceive and interact with our world. This revolution is driven by the game-changing power of spatial intelligence, an astounding technology that unveils new aspects in our comprehension of our environment and the world beyond. It's a revolution that's altering how businesses function, how governments operate, and how individuals steer their everyday lives. We extend an invitation to you to discover this exceptional world that is evolving right in front of our eyes. A world where we possess the capability to capture, analyze, and visualize data in manners that were previously deemed impossible. A world where every pixel is not merely a minute dot but a treasure trove of information. And at the epicenter of this extraordinary domain, you will find GeoEye Egypt, a company that is steadfast in its commitment to leveraging the potential of spatial intelligence and revolutionizing the digital terrain. Venture into the world of GeoEye Egypt, where every pixel narrates a story. A world where you can see beyond eyes. Welcome to the future of spatial intelligence. Imagine a world where satellites can provide high-resolution imagery and data. These advanced technologies are enhancing our ability to map urban areas with pinpoint accuracy, to effectively plan architecture and infrastructure. They grant us a fresh perspective on environmental shifts, allowing us to monitor and react to our planet's changes. These tools offer invaluable data during disasters, aiding in quick and informed decision-making, ultimately saving countless lives. This isn't a vision of a remote tomorrow, this is the reality at GeoEye Egypt. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Welcome to the impressive and ever-evolving realm of drone services. Imagine a view from high above, providing more than just a breathtaking vista. Envision accessing data from angles you never thought possible. Think about the detailed images captured by drones, giving an accurate representation of site, whether for construction, archaeology, or real estate. Consider the efficiency of drone-led asset inspections, providing quicker, safer, and more comprehensive results. Our drone services offer a superior spatial understanding, and this knowledge truly empowers smarter, more informed decisions. Deeper still, we delve into the heart of our planet with geophysical services. Venturing into uncharted territories, we navigate the depths beneath our feet. Our mission, a quest for knowledge that unravels the mysteries hidden within the Earth's core. Our groundbreaking tools and methods help us in our scientific endeavor, uncovering the concealed wealth beneath the Earth's crust. From locating valuable mineral deposits, identifying precious water sources, to conducting comprehensive geological studies, we facilitate invaluable research. These vital inquiries form the groundwork for effective and sustainable resource management. These critical insights pave the way for sustainable resource management. So, what does all this mean? GeoEye Egypt isn't merely a company that's offering services, rather, it is an international player striving to redefine our relationship with our world. It seeks to revolutionize, to transform the way we perceive, engage with, and understand our shared surroundings. Its mission? To foster a world where we are all interconnected, a world enhanced through our combined innovation and understanding. This is achieved through innovation, providing powerful insights and demonstrating spatial excellence in every project undertaken. It's about shaping a better, more connected world through innovation, insight, and spatial excellence. Remember, in the world of GeoEye Egypt, every pixel tells a story. This is not just a statement, it's a philosophy that we embrace wholeheartedly. Every pixel, every single one, carries a tale of the past, a snapshot of the present, and a hint of what's to come. Each pixel is a microcosm of life, reflecting a myriad of events, people, and places. In careful analysis of these pixels, we uncover hidden patterns, foresee trends, and mark deviations. This accumulated knowledge empowers us to shape what lies ahead. It is this deep dive into data that informs our decisions, that influences our strategies, that leads us towards undiscovered paths. We're not just mapping out lands, we are creating a pervasive revolution, an upheaval in spatial intelligence that sets the tone for the future. No longer do we rely solely on surface-level information, instead we delve deeper, we probe further. Welcome to the revolution in spatial intelligence. Welcome to GeoEye Egypt.